Welcome VL Reviews fans, and today I've got an electric power washer sent to me by the good people of AIVOLT. So I asked them how to pronounce that, and they sent something back phonetically, and it's actually AIVOLT. So it's got a bunch of specifications here on the top of the box. Some of them I can test easily and some of them not so much. One is rated pressure 1800 psi, rated water flow rate 1.24 US gallons per minute, and input power 13 amps. So since it does use so much power, you're going to need a dedicated 15 amp circuit. One of the most desirable characteristics of this particular power washer is its compact size. So it comes with a 36-foot power cable and a 25-foot pressure cable. So let's open this up and see what's in the box. Wow, that is so small. That's just absolutely wonderful. And I'm facing it the wrong way. It looks much prettier this way. We're going to lift her up, and the fully loaded machine is 18.2 pounds. Something else I forgot to mention is you have these little wheel locks. So right now this actually turns fairly easily. If I go and push all the wheel locks, that will lock all the wheels, and now it doesn't want to turn or spin very easily at all. And of course, just a simple on-off switch. Ooh, I can't wait to test this out. Let's give the AIVOLT its first primary run. So turn it on, and if stuff's already been pressurized, it won't make any noise, right? Because it's already been pressurized. But believe me, the very first time you plug it in and turn it on and hook up the water, it'll run until it pressurizes. So I have the green 25-degree nozzle, and I got some mud on the driveway because I mowed yesterday. So let's see what this does. And you can see it pressurizes and then it shuts off. So very efficient. And just so you know, it really is that tiny. I mean, this is small and compact. It's just amazingly small how this is. I love having the long high pressure hose and the long AC cord. It allows you to go, so far. It's wonderful without using any extensions. So again, this is the 25-degree. So I'm going to turn it this way, and let's see what happens. But I have others to choose from. Okay, that doesn't seem quite strong enough. So how about I go to a 15, and I'll go ahead and swap this out. See, I think I want it like that.
Yep, we're cleaning now. Yep, you can easily see we're definitely cleaning now. So we just need something a little more concentrated. Yeah, the mold's coming right off.
See how concentrated this spray is.
Wow. Okay. Look how fast. Yeah, that's amazing.
So it cleans really, really well, but it just cleans a small area. So if that's what you need, that's what the 0 degree will do. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the 15 and finish up this section. Okay, I have a 3.5 gallon bucket here with a handle on it that is removable. And let me see what its current weight is. Okay, I have 1.26 pounds, so a little over 1.25 pounds. And I am told that 1 gallon of water via Google weighs 8.34 pounds. So let me pop this handle off. I have this nifty little piece of cardboard here. And some batteries. Try to hold it down as much as possible. Let's see, hopefully that'll be enough. I'm sure it's not going to be perfect. It's probably going to leak a little bit. And I've done my best to try to make sure that there's no air in the lines, either the supply line or, of course, the high pressure line. So let's try a minute of squirting this 40-degree nozzle into this bucket and see what we pick up. Okay, on your mark, get set. And that's it. All right. Now we got to figure out what the bucket weighs. Yeah, we got it. Okay, great. Now let's see. What do I have in here? Just for general marks, I'm seeing a little less than 1.5 gallons. So if I put the handle back on, and then we'll measure it. Okay, here we go. I have a total weight of 11.3 pounds. 11.3 pounds. Now we need to do a calculation. So let's see how loud the AIVOLT is at 1 meter, 36 inches, dBA weighed. Okay, I see 80.1. Now let's go ahead and reset to dBc, which is a different measurement. Okay, here we go. and we peaked out just a little bit over 85 decibels. Now it's time to try the foam cannon. Now I have my particular solution of choice in here, but your results will vary depending on what type of solution you choose. But in any case, adjust the orange cap for more or less foaming activity. All right, this is very easy and it's very lightweight. Okay, it's foam cannon time. Oh yeah. Well, I have it set to the middle adjustment. That's it. So, wow, that's a lot of foam. So it did a good job. So let me see, let me try another setting. Okay, that seems to be very different. Wow. That's just tremendous. Okay, let me try another setting. I'm going to one extreme and then the other extreme. Okay, so obviously this is almost no foam. Great. So you've seen the range, and I kind of like the middle adjustments so far. Now what I'm using here isn't just a foam wash, it's also a wax. So you can begin to see the beading that's in there. And that's what it's actually supposed to do. Wash it and wax it. This has actually worked out very well. It's a great combination. Seems to hold enough, solution, so to speak, that I can get this whole car done. So I did about half the car and I got about half the solution left. So depending on how much foam you want. So yes, another giant thumbs up. And as a reminder, make sure you get this piece installed properly and not flipped around, because if you flip it around backwards, like I did for a minute, everything's going to leak. So notice the orientation of it, and that's how you actually hook it up, and you'll get no leaks. I think my last test here is going to be the ubiquitous sighting. Boy, this is very, very common, and I've got a lot of it. Yeah, there's some dirt coming off there. Well, because this AIVOLT is so unbelievably lightweight and compact, I'm able to stand here and hold it during my outro and summation. So my favorite features of this particular power washer are it's lightweight and it's quiet, and it's powerful enough if you choose the right nozzle to do just about anything you could possibly want to do. So if you're interested in such a product as this, please take a look at the links in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.